everyone, I'm Anna Vanila on the channel Anna Vanila Arts, and here I am today to show you a beret made by myself, by me, Anna Vanila, and I am absolutely in love with this beret. It turned out so terrific. I actually lined this pink color so much so stunning, so stretchy. As you can see, it stretches. It's a typical beret hat, and as you can see, this is the border that goes around the head, and then this is slightly looser so that it has got a shape of a beret. And oh, hello, this is my little froggy with a similarity in color to my hat, and as you can see, it's nicely done here, like a typical beret knitting. It's like a pillow here, as you can see here, has been finished, and the round is perfect. The stitching where I hidden the yarn is in here. As you can see, it's slightly out the end of the acrylic yarn which I used here, which I always use acrylic yarn in my garments. And as you can see, I've hidden it in here. So this is the back stitch. This is the back stitch, but you can't really see it so much. You can just barely see, only if you know where it is, really. But as you can see, you can't detect it. And I just love this color. Look at this juicy rose color, pinky color. It's like roses. It's like, oh gosh, even my nail varnish works quite well with it, with my nail varnish color here, which I've used on my nails, as you can see. And I absolutely love this hat. I think it's fantastic. It turned out fantastic. It keeps me warm when I go outside, and it's stretchy. It's just the way you would ever want from a beret, and I'm absolutely in love with this design, with this pattern. It's a very simple design. It's composed from a purl stitch to a front stitch and so on, and then you vary and you get this kind of like positioned centers with the lines in here, like as if there are some stripes going down, like so, as you can see it in here. Yeah, and I absolutely love this hat. I made it in April this month, and I also made it in different other colors. I have in yellow made, and I would possibly do in another color as well, because I just love it so much. I love this pattern. I love this design. I think it's absolutely fantastic. Even the froggy here likes it, isn't it? Isn't it? So I think this hat is successful. It turned out to be very beautiful, very nice. I'm going to wear it on my channel and demonstrate it to you, show it to you, how it looks actually on me. When I'll be doing DJ sets, maybe I would wear a hat like this if it's slightly cooler outside. And as you can see, it's fantastic. I love this pattern. I am in love with this design, and I love the way it turned out. I just think it's one of the most successful hats that I've ever knitted so far, and I think it's absolutely must have in any wardrobe, in woman's wardrobe, a must have. I think it is a must have in every woman's wardrobe, a piece of beret like so. And I have made also in a different color like this. I think you would agree with me, you would love it too if it's yellow. Yellow is kind of controversial, it's kind of neonish color, is also a beret. It's the same design as here, but just in a different color. But as you can see, it's slightly bigger. Yeah, slightly bigger. I'm going to talk about this hat in another video, so please stay tuned. And this hat must be my favorite hats or in my wardrobe, so I would advise you also to try and knit something as beautiful as this. The pattern I took on the internet, and maybe you will find it as well, and do a beautiful item, a beautiful accessory like so. So thank you very much for watching me and subscribing, and thank you for your comments and likes, and wishing you a lot of knitting elements in your life. I hope you have knitting days when you knit and knit again, just like I do. I knit every single day, and I absolutely adore it. I absolutely like it. It calms you down, it keeps you preoccupied, it makes you do something special rather than just spending your day for nothing. When you do a piece like this, it just makes you feel more useful to yourself and to other people and to your day. Makes you feel more useful, because an accessory like this would just enhance your life and your wardrobe and your designing, and everything, absolutely everything would be just perfect, like it is in my wardrobe. I always like to be different and wear unusual pieces to accentuate myself a little bit differently from others, from usual society. And pieces like so, when you knit, when you do it by your hand, it's not just a pleasure to make, it's also something that keeps you not just warm and stylish, but just wonderful, that you have your own hands and fingers and you can do something so special as this. It's just absolutely fantastic feeling when you do a piece like this. I hope you have your days of knitting like I have. I knit all the time. I'm an addict to knitting. I've been doing it for tens of years, so I'm absolutely queuing up with my projects of knitting and doing all the time something new, something different, something special, something original. So thank you very much for watching my channel, Anna Vanila Arts. I've been Anna Vanila, and please subscribe to my main channel, Anna Vanila, and this channel, Anna Vanila Arts, where I explain a lot of things that I've done myself and sharing it with you. And please stay tuned and watch my other videos.